Yeah, so what's up YouTube, it's your boy Dion back again with another video. So today we're simply going to be making a beat, some kind of Afrobeat inspired by some reggae, a dancehall kind of vibe. We're in labs and we're just gonna create a nice chord progression. First of all, start with the bass notes. Yeah, I kind of like that. So now we're just gonna create some chords over the bass notes. So Control C and Control up to copy it up. So creating flat chords is pretty easy. All you do is add 2 notes on top of your bass notes, skipping every note in the key. Do that for the rest of the notes and then you'll end up with something like this. Alt S to strum. Yeah, pretty vibey, you know. Control B to copy it over. So the next thing I'm going to come in with is this vibraphone, and this is simply just going to play the same notes. I'm going to copy them and paste them here. So, but one thing we're going to do is we're going to add some effects on it. So first of all, we're going to add a halftime and then an EQ. So it now sounds like this. So I don't like that's too muddy. We're going to knock it up an octave. Yeah. So now I'm going to lower the volume of the X. Alt X to control the volume. Alt X to control the volume. So the next thing I'm gonna add a limiter just to tame that frequencies. The next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna reverse the chords. Alt Y to reverse the chords, and then we're gonna render it out. So we're just also gonna strum it. And then we're gonna reverse the rendered version to keep the original chords. So I come in with this sequencer. So I'm just gonna play the bass notes. Kinda sounds silly alone, but with the rest of the melody, once we finish it up, it's gonna sound better. And I'm gonna knock it up an octave with Control up. Yeah, next thing I'm gonna add is this flute. And I'm just simply gonna freestyle. No particular method to this, just to get something I like. So I have this preset, sounds like this. So now we're just gonna get rid of the bass note, and we're gonna press Alt A to arpeggiate. Yeah, so we're gonna have two sections, a faster arpeggiation and a slow arpeggiation. And then we're gonna have this one. Yeah, pretty fire. So I then actually created the drums. So I'm actually just gonna explain them here. Before I explain them, they sound like this. And the second part sounds like this. Yeah, so the first pattern sounds like this. And then I added some extra rims, some rolls actually. Which simply just plays this roll. Next thing I added was this conga. And then I added a hi-hat, which actually gives more of the bounce we're going for. And the open hi-hat, of course. And so for the second part, the only difference I did was actually just I made some variation in the hi-hat pattern. Just added some extra notes. Yeah, we're just gonna pen this. Come here. I'm just gonna take this one to the right a little bit, and then this one to the left. I then added these perks. They simply play this. Yeah, it sounds hilarious alone, but if we put it together with the rest of the melody, with the rest of the drums, it's actually gonna sound better. So the kick, how I edited the kick on this project, I simply just drag and drop the kick, and then you just place it wherever you want, where you feel like it will sound better. So you place this. Yeah, pretty vibey. So the next thing I then added on the second pattern, just to keep it a little bit more busy, I then added this perk loop. It actually sounds like this alone. The rest of the drums. Yeah, so the next thing I then came in with is sub bass from Contact. A pretty nice bass, you know. So now I'm simply just gonna figure out a pattern, and I'm only gonna use the ghost notes. So I'm literally just gonna be following the bass notes, the chords. So I made a simple arrangement, which I actually am a fan of. And then yeah, this is just how to teach you how to make something similar or something vibey in that manner, you know. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Peace out. See you in the next one.
Drop sauce in it.